Good morning and thanks for viewing our 2016 VF Series 2 December build 17 first registered SS we have here. This one's in absolutely stunning condition. As you can see through the front of this car, you got pretty much unmarked alloys all around and down through the side in stunning condition. This one here is unmarked through all the trim. It's in excellent condition with the genuine floor mats as well. Coming through into the back of the vehicle, quite unmarked. All in the trim is in excellent condition, and through in the front. This one here has a bit of history, being an ex-New South Wales police vehicle, but looks like it was a sergeant's car, as it is unmarked, even including into the spare wheel. There's no marking or holes through the back here, and across on the rear bumper bar it is unmarked. It's got that fantastic bimodal exhaust system, spotless down to the side, and coming through inside there's no wear on any of the trim or through the dash, even on the steering wheel. 111 Ks. This one will not last long. This is probably the cleanest one I've ever seen and is absolutely stunning. So feel free to contact us with any questions.